Isolation, adaptation, and restoration. So we're going to do a little mini series here. We're going to go over how the body is responding to this isolation thing, what changes we should make to how we approach our health, what is the um, kind of goal of everything, how to reduce some stress, how to increase our health throughout this kind of period that we're being challenged with being more in home. So the first point I want to go over is what is happening to our bodies. Some people are sleeping more, some people are sleeping less, some people are becoming more stressed out, some people are losing motivation, some people are gaining motivation. Why is the body responding in so many different ways? And the short and sweet of it is essentially our body is trying to restore itself. So the demand that we put on ourselves previous, however we felt that demand, our body's now saying, well, we have some downtime. With this downtime, we're going to try to replenish what was being overburdened before. The trick with this is it's very different for each person. However, there's some general kind of continuity between how everybody was feeling before and now. And the general thing is that people were more stressed. More stress generally comes at moving at a faster pace than your body is capable of keeping up with. Your body will try to create some kind of compensation to make this strain less, either by kind of denial, I'm not working that hard, I could work harder, or maybe by uh, outward action. So I'm going to exercise more, I'm going to go golfing more, I'm going to drink more, I'm going to have more coffee, um, or it might have the negative effect of doing less and wanting to do less and feeling less motivated. Those are generally different stages or different ways of the compensation expressing itself, but we can say that with more stress comes the inability to see the finer details that are really causing the stress. Now that we have this downtime, we have kind of flipped things upside down. Our body's used to going fast, our mind's used to going fast, our emotions are used to being running on high. Now it has to slow down a lot. And this seems like a great thing because it's grounding and restoring. However, it is such a drastic change for most people that it can be very unsettling and very challenging to say the least. You will see now in this slowing down the areas that you were not taking care of much. So if you were working really hard, very in your work, communication might now be a challenge for you. If you are always go, 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 being still might be a big challenge for you. If you are very much neglecting your emotional needs, you might have more opinions on what you want and how you want it and how it's supposed to be done. All these ways are not to be taken in the negative sense. These are ways of your body communicating that there is a need for something else. And the most stressful thing that you can do, in my opinion, for your health, mental, physically, and emotionally, is every day waking up hoping for things to be absolutely different than they were the day before. This causes huge mental and emotional strain. We have to take things a day at a time, put them in perspective, and start to work on our restoration, as in acknowledging what it means, what we're supposed to do with this, understanding the communications of our body, as well as working towards a new way of dealing with things. We're going to have to find a different way out than we got in, and this is what this kind of journey is going to be about. Uh, and the lifestyle way of looking at it, especially the self-care way of looking at it, which I view is very strongly the only way out of this one. And we have to change the way that we do our activity to be a little bit more mindful of the overall totality of what health is and what that means to us in this new way of living.